Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So today we're gonna paint Betty Boop. This design I got from Pinterest and it's actually my first time trying this kind of a design, like a one picture, three nails. Like it's the first time. It was hard, but I nailed it. I'll say I'll nail it as I'm doing this voiceover now. Like the I'm done with the design and it came out really good. It came out really pretty. You will see it on the end of this video. So here I'm just showing you the process and the steps that I took on doing this design. So just stay tuned and tell me what is it that you like and what is it that you do not like on this video. So yeah. So as usual, the product or the tools that I used, the polishes are from Bling, and the liner brush and the liner gel are from Planet Nails. So here I'm just gonna paint, like I'm giving it a space so that I can cure and continue. And do not forget to cure your polishes every step. You cure it, you fully cure it for 60 seconds before you can move on. Do not forget. Just look at her, she's so pretty already. So let me tell you the step that I take from doing this sketches. I just apply the base color and then I buff, and then I use a pencil to sketch this design. As long as your design is sketched like perfectly, you just put the color in those spaces, it will turn out so good. One day I'll make a video on how I sketch and I show you how I do it step by step, like fully detailed video. I will post it, and then on my shorts as well I have a video whereby I showed you how I sketch my videos, how I sketch my nails, I mean to say. So but I'll make a full video, a detailed one, but I'll link it down below in the description box just for in case. And now we are halfway there. We just filling out those spaces with water, like those blue yana is gonna be water in the pool. I decided to go with that color, but I mixed it. I mixed two blues there to come up with that color. So now we just are painting color of her skin. Even this one, it was too dark, so I added a bit of white. I added white onto it and it just gave me this color, but it's good, it's okay. And now we're moving on to the sunglasses. There are some small details there in the sunglass and on the bra as well, and on the glasses there's some lot of detailing there, like lots. So we're gonna outline it with a gel liner from Planet Nails. It's doing the magic. I love it. So now we're just bringing Betty Boop to life. Just look at that line work, like so crazy. And we're almost done with the line work. We're just doing some touch up here and there. So yeah, she's looking so pretty. She's looking so beautiful. Yo, I'm having a very big flu. Just do not mind my voice. It's been a week. Are you sure Corona is not back? Like, yo, it's crazy. It's so crazy. So now I'm just doing the pool. I'm trying to do the pool there. Like, as you can see, those detailing there is a pool. Now I'm just doing the clouds, and I'm just drag it down with the ombre brush, just to look beautiful, just to look, yeah. So I'm using this ombre brush, and we're done. We're just gonna do some little detailing on the body, and we done. And now we're just painting those little detailing on the body. We're just using like a normal pink polish there, just to give it that look, So we're just gonna give it a top coat, and she looks fire. She looks really good. I never thought she will come out this good. I'm very, very proud of myself right now. Look at her. Now we're moving on to the next design. It's the same design but on the next nail. Yeah. So yeah, she She also, like this nail also, she turned out really good on this one. Like I'm doing this voice over now, like everything just turned out so perfect. Everything turned out so good. Like I was so shocked by how this design came out. Like it came out so good. And we drag in the polish just like the first one, just that this one we're gonna give it a sun. And when we're done there, we're just gonna top coat it, and look at that, it turned out so beautiful. And we're just gonna keep on doing the last one. And this last one, I edit out the painting part because you already seen the painting and everything. So yeah, I didn't want to take much of your time. So yeah, now I'm busy with the pool there, and I was just editing it. I was just drawing it out, I mean to say. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like that is looking like this. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.